breeding calendar. Low cost stunner. This is a bioprofiler, sir. Wherein you can collect the samples of now collecting the blood sample from Mitun is very difficult. So from the hair follicles we can collect the
Respected Chief Guest, Kudal Duoma, Honorable Chief Minister, Mizoram, esteemed guest of honor, Sri Gabriel D. Wangsu, Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Allied Government of Arunachal Pradesh, special guest, Dr. Raghavendra Bhatta, Deputy Director General, Animal Science, ICAR, New Delhi. Mr. Iboy Aima Meitei, Advisor, NEC, distinguished officials from Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, officials from ICAR, my colleagues from Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, dignitaries, invitees, and my dear farmers. It is a great honor to be here today on the occasion of the third Mithun Day celebration, jointly organized by the ICAR NRC Mitun and the Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Government of Mizoram. I extend a warm welcome to all our distinguished guests and participants. The livestock sector is very vital for Mizoram, contributing 6% to the state GSDP and 23% of the agri-allied GSVA. With nearly our entire population being non-vegetarian, demand is naturally very high. Yet, we still import over rupees 101 crores worth of meat, eggs, and milk annually, highlighting the urgent need to strengthen our local production. The per capita meat availability is 11.64 kg, just below the ICMR recommendation of 12.41 kg in a year. Pork is our main meat, but repeated ASF outbreaks have severely affected the peccary sector. However, this challenge also opens new opportunities to expand Mithun farming and cottery, thereby strengthening our farmers and reducing our dependence on imports. In this regard, I would like to extend an invitation to the Director General CISR on goats to collaborate with us in the future for the development of Mizoram in goat farm. Encouragingly, livestock farming is the preferred choice under the Mizoram handholding scheme. The sector has already received 3,647 loan applications, while another 13,019 applications were received under the Chief Minister's special package. This reflects strong confidence in livestock as a sustainable livelihood. I am especially thanked that the FSSAI has officially declared Mitun as a food animal. This recognition, made possible through the constant efforts of ICAR NRC Mitun, is a milestone for all of us. It validates our traditions and opens new opportunities for our farmers, markets, and livelihoods. Mithun, the cattle of the mountain, or Sial as we call it in Mizo, holds a unique place in the life of the Mizo people. For generations, it has been more than a livestock. It has been a symbol of wealth, prestige, and social identity. It featured prominently in feasts of merit and ceremonies, making it not only an economic asset but also a cultural treasure. But today, Mithun farming is at a crossroads. The traditional free-range system faces pressure from shrinking forests, land use changes, and disease. Without timely intervention, the population may decline further. This is why Mithun Day is so important, to remind us of our duty to conserve and promote this majestic animal. Our department has privilege to work hand in hand with ICAR NRC Mithun since 2017. From the first Mitun Mela at Kuangleng village to the MOU for training and technology transfer to the Grand Sekut Pui at Leng village 2020 and the animal health camp at Tipa 2021. Its milestones reflects our shared commitment to conserve Mithun and make it a sustainable livelihood. With ICAR and RCM's continued support, we have established two important projects. Firstly, the Mithun Multiplication Center at Lungkol, funded by NEC, which I had the honor of inaugurating it on 11 April this year, will serve as a breeding hub for social and farmers training. I sincerely appeal to NEC advisor, Mr. Iboyaima Meite, for continued support, as 41 villages in Mizoram still depends on Mithun farming. Secondly, the Breed Development and Conservation Center for Mithun at the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Farm Complex Thenzawl, funded under the Rashtriya Gakul Mission and inaugurated by our Chief Minister on 8 May 2025. This year will act as a nucleus farm of conservation and demonstration of scientific Mithun management. However, budget constraints prevent us from funding the fodder plantation area, which is essential for protecting the fodder base and ensuring free grazing. I honestly seek ICAR support in assisting with this fencing, which will enhance the sustainability and long-term success of this project. They are modest beginnings, but they are crucial steps to safeguard Mithun for our future generations. Our vision is to transform Mithun farming into a vibrant, market-linked enterprise. With its cultural acceptance and high value, Mithun meat has potential not only for local consumption, but also for wider markets. At the same time, we must face In reality, funding livestock projects is becoming more difficult, and Mizoram alone cannot shoulder this burden. This is why I seek stronger collaboration with ICAR, NCR, Mitun, and continued support from NEC. Together we can make Mitun farming sustainable, profitable, and a source of pride for our people. Looking forward, we must shift gradually to semi-intensive rearing, enabling better health care, nutrition, and market opportunities, which also protecting our forests. I also call upon CVSC and AHCLSC to collaborate in developing our own unique strain, social. As we celebrate this Mithun Day, let us remember that Mithun or seal is not just an animal. It is our culture, history, identity, and future. The responsibility to conserve and promote Mithun rests with all of us, government, scientists, farmers, and the community. As a minister, I reaffirm the commitment of the Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Government of Mizoram, to work hand in hand with ICAR, NRC, Mitun, CVSC, and AHCLSC, NEC, and our farmers to ensure a sustainable future for Mithun in Mizoram. I thank ICAR, NRC, Mitun for their partnership and our distinguished guests for gracing this occasion. Together, let us conserve Mithun and empower our farmers. Thank you, Kalome.